Good morning, everybody. It is morning here. I've jumped back in the van to make this intro to the video to get out of the wind noise, but I want to share with you what I think is just the coolest little upgrade and modification to something I carry every day, and that's my Swiss Army knife. So, be back with you in just a minute. Okay, so down through the years, all the knives, custom knives, and everything else I've ever owned, this knife right here, although it's not my original, it's a yellow. I used to have the original red Swiss Army knife. This right here has been the one thing that I've insisted on being in my pocket every day, because it has so many tools, and I'm not going to go through them. Everybody knows how versatile a Swiss Army knife is, but I want to show you the coolest little upgrade. You know, it looks like most all Swiss Army knives. I've got the tweezers. Sorry, it's a little out of focus. I got the tweezers on one side, and then of course the traditional toothpick on the other side. Well, what I've done is I've replaced it with something else, and I'll show it to you. Okay, it's coming out of the knife now, and you can see there's something a little different about this one. It's not really the traditional toothpick. What is that? Well, folks, I'm here to tell you that's just the coolest little FERRO rod. So now my Swiss Army knife is almost a complete fire starting kit because I have the edge device to scratch on the FERRO rod. And it is just, to me, that's just the perfect combination. Despite the other things I carry on me, I always have a means of starting fire with my Swiss Army knife that is quick and simple. You know, I don't have to go make a bow drill or anything like that. So I just wanted to share that with you. I will put the place you can order it in the comments or flash it up on the screen around here somewhere. But that's what I wanted to show you. It has adequate spark as soon as I can hold on to it. As you can see, plenty of spark to get that fire. Now, I will tell you, I did have to do just a little bit of modification. The real red Swiss Army knives, I think this, where am I? There I am. I think this notch is a little deeper because when I first put this in, it didn't quite go any further than that right there. And as you could see, that would leave some sticking out and would be a pain. So it was no big deal to get a Dremel tool. You could use anything, I guess, and just cut that notch a little bit deeper so that it goes back in flush on this edge, just like the original toothpick. But outside of that, that's all I had to do, and I think it's the greatest thing in the world. As with survival knowledge and skills and tools, it's a big boost to your confidence knowing you can trust your tools and knowing what to do with them. And when you can carry something as simple as this every day, hey, why not?